Hello, everybody, and thank you for being here. My name is Sylvia, and here's another article from our tech support that I like to share with you guys. And this particular one is to reduce switchgage instrument failure caused by high pressure pulsation. Basically, a solution was recently presented to a customer who had experienced failures with their A20P pressure switchgage instruments. The failure related to the port plate assembly was the result of high pressure pulses that compromised the solder joint. When the pressure instrument exhibited characteristics of being fatigued by pulsations in excess of the maximum rate of pressure, the plate skirt became fatigued. Repeated pulses resulted in the skirt separating from the solder, which caused process fluids to leak into the gauge case. We advise our customer to install an off equipment mounting kit, and here's the part number from Innovation Controls, which is available on the Morcal website. We'll have the link below the video. When they paired the gauge with our pulsation dampening off equipment mounting kit, the pulsating pressure that caused damage to their gauge was dramatically decreased. So the kit includes one stainless steel panel, two shock mounts with the hardware, and two pulsation dampeners. And you can order these in the Mercal's web store. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and for more videos. Thank you.